we got a problem. We got a storm coming in right now. We have rain, we got mud, we got thunder, lightning. We did get water underneath the liner. We have 16,000 plus gallons of water. So that is a huge volume. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm the Pond Professor here. We're at Tanner's place and the team has arrived. We have certified Aquascape contractors coming in from around the country for this incredible project. We have been doing a lot of work preparing everything, getting the infrastructure in place, starting to set all the large boulders and the block wall. We wanted to get all those little details done before everybody arrived, so that way we can take the time and we could explain how all the different pieces integrate together to create this beautiful aquascape ecosystem. So what we're going to be doing the rest of the day, we're going to split up into multiple teams. Chris Hansen is going to be taking the area by the intake bay, sealing up the skimmer, giving a tutorial on proper skimmer installation procedures. Trevor is going to be hopping in with another team and he's going to be down inside the pond, coming in with small cobblestones, river rock, foaming techniques, getting the little plant pockets and that type of stuff taken care of. I will be working with Tim Wood. We're going to start setting some more of the large character boulders along the back edge so we could work our way up the hill so we can get the wetland excavated by the end of the day today, which will put us in position to have everything wrapped up by tomorrow. The cavalry has arrived.
It has arrived.
We have a crazy amount of people here. We had chaos going for the past week and a half, and now it's like an overdrive. There's people everywhere.
I think it was like organized chaos before. Now this is kind of like actual chaos.
Actual chaos. We got guys cutting logs out in the woods. We're pulling some really cool rocks out in the woods. We're re-excavating things. Guys are getting ready to do slate work. We're doing all the detail stuff on the inside. We're gonna hook up the skimmers.
You could see when you have this many people, we don't have to stop doing something to go. We could tell them, hey, get these rocks, they'll bring them over, and then delegate as needed, but it definitely is gonna go a lot faster.
I'm looking forward to it. I know we got a full day in front of us. Weather's good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take advantage of it. All right.
Tanner, what's the plan with this patio over here?
Okay, so we're putting this patio in here. It'll be a lower area compared to all the other ones as far as viewing goes. So you're kind of lower, more intimate with the pond. And also one of the issues was whenever they originally graded the house, it was pretty close to the sill plate, which that's not how it's supposed to be. So we pulled it all away from there, and we're kind of solving two issues at once.
Tanner, what are you doing right now?
Just cutting off the excess geo we put under this log. It was kind of a little bit loose on the bottom, so we just put this under there to help stop it from just falling out into the water column. It's kind of a weird spot. I can't just like cut across. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
We were searching around for driftwood, and this was a piece that we found. It's nice hard oak, been falling for a while.
Yeah, we got Tim over here that's gonna hit it with the chainsaw. We're gonna cut it to size so that we can actually get it in the pond, get it near the intake bay, the filtration. It's gonna look great, and lock it in with some rocks, but we gotta get going.
Tim, what are you up to right now?
We are setting a big rock at the bottom of the pond that is going to be the foundation for the rest of the waterfalls that are going up, and it's gonna look sweet. This is an awesome pond.
We're working on the waterfall area now, so we just finished putting in that big massive stump over on the bottom corner of the pond that's anchoring the entire composition. Now what we want to do is we want to systematically start carving into the hillside. So when we started doing the construction, we roughed in the pond. We took all the excess soil, we roughly shaped the waterfall area. Now we're coming in, we're positioning the right rock we want, and then we start carving the soil to accept the stones. So we already have several of those stones picked out. Now we just have to make the excavation match the rocks, put the lining back in place, and then we could start reassembling all the different pieces.
Is mossing your favorite part?
Probably. It's satisfying.
All the touch.
Yeah.
Nice.
Technique.
This log is ready for prom.
It's ready for prom. Got its Sunday best on.
We got a problem. We got a storm coming in right now. We have rain, we got mud, we got thunder, lightning. All this stuff is happening right in the middle of our project. And it is gonna make this job site a mess. All right, we got our pumping system operational. We have the pump down inside of the pit. We did get water underneath the liner. I've talked about this stuff before. You need weight on top of the liner to keep the hydrostatic pressure pushed down into the soil. Then it will force it through the drainage system. So as soon as we get more and more water inside the pond, it will force the groundwater into the path of least resistance, which is the underground piping system, which connects over to the pit over on the side. So we just had our water truck arrive. We're putting in 2,000 gallons of water. That should be enough weight going on top of it. Remember, 1 gallon of water is 8.345 pounds. So you start multiplying that out, we have 16,000 plus gallons of water. So that is a huge volume, and it's going to put the necessary pressure on top of everything so we can get this thing operational.
Apparently we were so busy building the pond that we totally forgot to do a tour down here in the animal room. I'll do a quick run around just to show you what I got going on. I'm still very much working on things, but the idea here is to have aisles that you can walk through. So you walk through here, and then eventually it will be the same look here so that it's kind of like a gallery sort of feel. Everything's custom built, all of the wooden racks, the majority of the aquariums and tanks, and essentially it's just a bunch of different ideas that I have here that I've built over time. So I've got a setup up here with my African bullfrog Samson. I got a hybrid snapping turtle down here. Paludarium, fish tank, another fish tank, and I'm just using all natural processes here for the most part to keep maintenance and care really simple. So with this one, all of the plants above the rim here are more or less filtering the tank, keeping things nice and clean. I got a similar thing going on up here, so there's actually no filter on that tank whatsoever. The plants are doing all of the work, and this is more of a traditional planted aquarium.
We're doing the finishing details right now on the wetland filter. So we're dropping in all of our big rocks, filling in around that beautiful oak log that we had. Our next step is going to be to finish it off with some of the 3/4 inch gravel. Then we can finish our foaming work, and then it's all that detail stuff and edging around the entire perimeter. And by then we should be able to wash everything down and get it operational. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please take the time to check out some of these past projects.